Hi everybody, my name is Jake Rogan, and I am an undergraduate student at UNC majoring in biology. Today, I would like to talk a little bit about Dr. Ye's lab at the UNC Lineberger Comprehensive Cancer Center. Dr. Zhenjian Ye is a physician scientist that specializes in pancreatic cancer surgery. Her lab, the Ye lab, focuses on identifying vulnerabilities in pancreatic cancer in order to develop better treatments for patients. So first off, I would like to talk a little bit about cancer. Our bodies are made up of trillions of tiny little building blocks called cells. As you can see here, this is a picture of a human cell on the bottom right. Normally, these cells grow and divide in an organized way, but sometimes they can divide rapidly and uncontrollably, creating a tumor, or an abnormal lump of continuously dividing cells in your body. This picture here on the right shows a great example. Cancer is the name of this disease. The mass of cells can spread to other parts of your body and can cause death as it starts to disrupt your normal bodily functions. Pancreatic cancer is a disease where this mass of cells forms in your pancreas, an organ that helps break down the food you eat so your body can fully digest the nutrients. Pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest types of cancers, as many times it is hard to detect and is surrounded by a hard, dense layer of cells called a stroma. There are a variety of ways that doctors can treat cancers. These can be chemotherapy, where medicines are injected into the body that kill all cells, cancerous and non-cancerous, or other drugs can be used, which are referred to as therapy drugs. Since pancreatic cancer does not respond well to the chemotherapy due to this thick layer of cells around the tumor, special therapies are often used to target different aspects of the tumor. Dr. Ye's lab is trying to find more of these specialized treatments. One of the aspects of Dr. Ye's lab that I would like to talk about specifically is the patient-derived xenograft, or PDX program. Now, that's a pretty big word, but it becomes very simple when you break it down. A xenograft is a word that means transferring tissue or a group of cells from one species to another. To study the effects of cancer, many researchers use mice or other small organisms. So, a patient-derived xenograft would be the transferring of cancerous tissue from a human patient into a mouse. This tissue then grows a cancerous tumor inside of the mouse. This allows researchers to study the effects and various treatments of cancer without harming any humans. The benefit of PDXs is that they provide an environment for the tumor to grow and be studied that is like a human being. Because of this, scientists such as Dr. Ye can test new novel therapy drugs on cancer tumors in a human-like environment. In the Ye lab, PDXs are used in several ways. Scientists will take a part of this tumor that was originally injected into one mouse and transfer it to several others. This is called passaging. Now, they have a bunch of mice with the same tumor they would like to study. The Ye lab has successfully managed to passage over 10 different types of cancers from over 200 different patient tumors. Because they have so many samples, they're able to do many different types of testing and research in order to find new ways to treat and combat these various cancers. In conclusion, the PDX program at the Ye lab has compiled a library-like collection of over 200 patient tumor lines. This allows the researchers to study cancer in a fast and realistic way and bring more personalized treatments to medicine. Thank you all for listening. I hope you guys have a great day.